Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss worksheet number 11 of unit 5 division. Worksheet 11 is all about the word problems. Let us see what are the word problems over here. There are 5 questions in the worksheet number 11 but I am going to discuss only 4. Let's see question number 1. Question number 1 says 50 pencils are equally packed in 5 packets. How many packets are there? There are 5 packets in which 50 pencils are equally packed. So how many pencils are there in each packet? In each packet, how many numbers of pencils are there? We need to know. How we'll find out that? First we'll write number of pencils in 5 packets. What are the number of pencils? Total number of pencils are 50. 50. Number of pencils in each packet. Each packet means in one packet. Each का मतलब हर एक पैकेट में, यानी कि एक पैकेट में कितना. In one packet how much it is? तो we'll divide 50 by 5 and what do we get? When you divide 50 by 5, what is the answer? Recite the table of 5 and you will get to know that 5 tens is 50. So there are 10 pencils here in first packet. There are 10 pencils, then again 10, 10, 10, 10. So totally 50 pencils are there which are equally packed. Now let's come to question number 2. Question number 2 says Raju has 72 stamps. He pastes 8 stamps in each page of a scrapbook. He is having a scrapbook over here. There are 72 stamps and in each page, हर एक पेज में वो 8 स्टैम्प पेस्ट करता है. एक पेज में उसने 8 स्टैम्प पेस्ट किया, सेकंड वाले में भी, सेकंड उसके बाद भी, ऐसे करके वो कितने पेजेस में स्टैम्प कंप्लीट कर देता है. मतलब उसके स्टैम्प खत्म हो जाते हैं पेस्ट करके. हमें वो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस फाइंड आउट करने हैं जिसमें कि उसके नंबर ऑफ स्टैम्प्स खत्म हो जाएंगी. हर एक में अगर वो 8 करके अगर वो पेस्ट करता है, that means कि we'll have to divide it by 8. When you divide the number 72 by 8, you will get to know that there are totally in 9 number of pages. In 9 pages, the stamps were pasted. So, how many pages were used? Only 9 pages were used. Let us see how to write the statement. ये तो हमने समझ लिया इसको roughly. But इसका statement हमें लिखना कैसे, इसको present कैसे करना है. Number of pages in a scrapbook. It is given 72. So, we have written here 72. Number of stamps. How many stamps does he have? He has 8 stamps. Okay. Number of pages used. What are the number of pages used? हर एक में वो 8 करके stamp paste कर रहा है, तो हम 8 से उसको डिवाइड कर देंगे. That is repeated subtraction. 8 माइनस करते जाओ. Repeated subtraction is what? Repeated subtraction is division. So we are dividing it by 8. When you divide 72 by 8, you get the number as 9. So the number of pages used are 9. Question number 3 is, there are 35 biscuits in a packet. There is a biscuit packet and in that packet there are 35 biscuits. And 5 girls wanted to share them equally. There are 5 number of girls and they want to share it equally. So, how many each one will get? अगर हम आपको ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए कहा जाए, what you will do? You will give 1, 1, 1 to everyone. Then again you will start giving 1, 1. इस तरह से करके आप कितने करके दोगे कि आपका 35 खत्म हो जाएगा. कितना नंबर ऑफ बिस्किट्स एक गर्ल को मिलता है, विल हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, विल हैव टू डिवाइड इट. नंबर ऑफ बिस्किट्स इन अ पैकेट. Let us see how to present it. Number of biscuits in a packet, that is 35. It's already given in the question. Number of girls, there are 5 number of girls. Somehow I have tried to draw the pictures over here. I hope you will like it. Literally they are not actually girls, but understanding के लिए, just to make a fun, not to make the word problems as boring and difficult. They are really very interesting and they are simple if you understand it, if you understand the logic behind it. The number of biscuits in a packet is 35. Number of girls is 5. Number of biscuits each girl get, yani each in one girl, how many numbers of biscuits she is getting. So 35 divided by 5 is 7. When you divide 35 by 5, you get the number as 7. जो भी हमें क्वेश्चन मिलता है ना, दैट इज द आंसर. रिमाइंडर इज नॉट द आंसर. रिमाइंडर इज 0 over here. So quotient is the answer. There are 5 number of biscuits each girl is getting. She'll get 5. This she'll get 7. She'll get 7, 7, 7, 7, and 7 5s is 35. Now let us come to question number 4. Question 4 says Rahul can type 32 pages in 8 hours. How many pages can be typed in 1 hour? अगर वो 32 पेजेस 8 आवर्स में 8 घंटों में टाइप कर सकता है तो कितने नंबर ऑफ पेजेस 1 घंटे में टाइप हो सकते हैं? तो 1 घंटे में हम कैसे पता चलेंगे? अगर हमारे पास ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी का दिया हुआ और हमें कम का फाइंड आउट करना है, सिर्फ एक का फाइंड आउट करना, तो इन दैट केस वी डिवाइडेड. सो नंबर ऑफ पेजेस टाइप्ड इन 8 hours is 32. See, the sentences are also really very simple. Number of pages typed in 1 hour. जो भी क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है, from there only we are taking the statements over here. Number of pages typed in 1 hour is 32 divided by 8. When you divide 32 by 8, you get the number as 4. 8 4s is 32, and the answer is 4 over here. I hope you have understood all the 4 questions. In case you didn't understood any of the questions, and if you want any of the worksheet to be done again, और कुछ छूट गया है या फिर तुम्हें कुछ और एक्स्ट्रा कुछ समझना है, please let me know in the comment section box. Okay, thank you.